Ah, what a beautiful Srinagar in Kashmir. Look at the view. Well, stay with me and I will, in this video, let you know about Jeshta Devi Mata Mandir, which is a peaceful spiritual site which is nestled right in the heart of Srinagar. I will guide you as to how to reach the Jeshta Devi Mata Mandir from the airport. On our way, you'll pass by the iconic Dal Lake, the heart of Srinagar, and head towards Raj Bhavan Road, also called Gupkar Road. And this area is one of the most secured zones in the city. Why? Because the Raj Bhavan, the Lieutenant Governor's residence, is located right here. Just a few steps ahead, and you will reach Jeshta Devi Mata Mandir, a peaceful spiritual site nestled right in the heart of Srinagar. You know, this shrine is deeply revered by Kashmiri Pandits and is dedicated to goddess Jeshta, a powerful form of Shakti. The temple also provides basic facilities for pilgrims like Yatri Niwas, Langar, and meditation spots for peaceful seekers. So, whether you're here for darshan or just seeking peace, Jeshta Devi Mandir is just a short, scenic, and very safe ride from Srinagar Airport. While I show you around this beautiful and the spiritual place known as the Jeshta Devi Mata Mandir and this ashram for the yatris, you will also hear at the background the history of this particular place called the Jeshta Devi Mata. How the name came of Jeshta Devi Mata is very interesting. I hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you. The story of goddess Jeshta. The story of goddess Jeshta begins with a very important event, the churning of the great ocean called Shir Sagara, that is, ocean of milk. Both the Devtas, that's the gods, and the Asuras, meaning demons, wanted to get Amrit, the nectar of immortality, from this ocean. But they knew that this was only possible if Lord Shiva, who had power over the ocean, allowed them to do so. So both sides prayed to Lord Shiva with great respect. Lord Shiva was pleased with their devotion and agreed, but he had one condition. Whatever came out of the ocean had to be shared equally between the Devtas and the Asuras. Both sides agreed, though they didn't know what would come out during the churning. Not that they had permission, the Devtas and the Asuras were confused. They didn't know how to churn such a vast ocean. So again they went to Lord Shiva for help. Being kind and generous, Lord Shiva guided them with three divine instructions. One, use Mount Mandara as a churning stick. Use Lord Vishnu to take the form of Kurma, a giant turtle, to support the mountain on his back. 3. Use Vasuki, the serpent king, as a rope to tie around the mountain. Following this advice with the help of Mount Mandara, Lord Vishnu as Kurma and Vasuki, they began churning the ocean. Many valuable things came out during the process, 14 divine treasures, including goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. But suddenly, a terrible poison called Halahala appeared. It was so deadly that it could destroy the entire universe. Even the Devtas were frightened and helpless. So once again, they turned to Lord Shiva for help. Lord Shiva, the protector of all three worlds, came to their rescue. He drank the poison to save the world, but to protect Goddess Parvati, his consort, He held the poison in his throat. This turned his throat blue, and since then he is known as Neelkantha, the one with the blue throat. The Devtas and Asuras praised him for this act. Afterwards, the Devtas gave goddess Lakshmi to Lord Vishnu. This made the Asuras very angry. In their rage, they snatched Lakshmi and hid her in a secret cave called Guptgara, now known as Gupkar, near Srinagar. This evil act angered Lord Shiva. With his divine power, he created goddess Jeshta and Veera Vaitala. These two powerful beings destroyed the Asuras and rescued goddess Lakshmi. After completing this mission, Lord Shiva blessed both Jeshta and Veera Vaitala, giving them the power to protect and uplift humanity. The sacred place of goddess
Small kiosks
Jeshta
to buy a few
is
things.
located very close to Gupkar in Srinagar, Kashmir. Devotees believe that anyone who prays to Mata Jeshta receives her blessings and
That's the way
protection.
to go
It
to
is a
our
tradition among
room,
devotees to offer
which
yellow
is
cooked
called
rice called teher
Sharika
in
Bhavan.
Kashmir every Thursday during the month of
Okay,
Jesht. This ancient shrine of Kashmir is considered a powerful place for gaining wisdom. It's called Buddhi, prosperity, which is Riddhi, and success, which is Siddhi, in all areas of life.
we'll go and have a breakfast now. Chole Bhature is waiting for us. Sorry. You can see how seniors, elders, they come here to relax and have a morning walk amidst the lush green surroundings and the mountains. Beautiful. That's a dining area type. So yesterday we inquired, they said that there will be puri and chole. So after a nice walk in the morning, I guess why not? Why not? So this is the dining, and you can see today is hot, but puri and chole, and everybody is going to indulge in it. Sagar Bhai has worked a lot. Jayanti Bhai, our Guruji. To the mandir we go here. Every morning at 7 o'clock there's an aarti here, and again in the evening at 7 o'clock. This is a kund. You see, beautiful. beautiful old chinar tree. That's the Mataji and the Panditji who performs the puja every day. Om.
Om Namah Shivaya. Ambo Shankara Namah Shivaya. Ija Shankara Namah Shivaya.
Sharika. Sharika Sthal. Sharika Pratik Sthal.
Ambo Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya. Ambo Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya.
You can see accommodations.
Ambo Shankara
Beautiful view
Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
So when you had to, if you plan to visit here, it is very systematic and organized. You need to log on to Jaishtha Devi Mata .com. I will put the link in the description below, and there you need to fill in a form and tell them how many people are coming, which date, for how many days. The maximum number of days you can stay is not more than 7 days, and there is no extension at all. So do remember this in mind. And I would advise you that you should do the booking at least 3-4 months prior, because it is always full. Because we also did about 3.5 months before, and we were able to get, because of not being a season time. So you will be asked to also deposit ₹1,000, which will be taken care when once you check out. So this is a simple formality, and you can even see your name being, after completing the little bit of process. After 2 days, it will be updated in the system, where your name will be shown as a yatri who would be visiting on so and so date, and you will be allocated the room number also. So it's very, very systematic. Any queries, if you feel like, you can always give me a call or comment. I'll respond to it.
सनातन धर्म की सनातन धर्म की सनातन धर्म की बाबा बर्फानी की शंकर महाराज की शंकर महाराज की अपने अपने गुरु महाराज की